Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Norton Antivirus for maximum protection step by step clearly. Open your Norton Antivirus application on your computer. If it's not already installed, download it from the official Norton website and follow the installation prompts. Once the application is open, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. Check the status of your device protection on the home screen. If your antivirus is outdated, click on the Live Update button to ensure you have the latest virus definitions. Wait for the update process to complete and follow any on-screen instructions. Next, select the Security tab to access various protection features. Choose Scan to find any potential threats on your device. You can opt for a quick scan, full scan, or a custom scan depending on your needs. For maximum protection, it's recommended to run a full system scan regularly. While the scan is in progress, avoid using your computer for other tasks to improve efficiency. Once the scan is complete, review the results. Follow the prompts to remove or quarantine any detected threats. Next, navigate to the firewall settings found in the Security tab. Make sure the firewall is enabled to protect against unauthorized access. Customize firewall settings if necessary, based on your network needs. Check the Device Security section to ensure all features, like anti-phishing, are active. Enable the Web Protection feature to block access to dangerous websites. Regularly review your protection settings to adapt to new security challenges. Schedule automatic scans to keep your system continuously protected. Finally, consider enabling the backup feature to safeguard your important files. Keep the Norton application updated for ongoing protection against the latest threats. Always review security alerts and notifications to stay informed about your device's safety. With these steps, you're well on your way to using Norton Antivirus for maximum protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.